Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove image background in Canva. If you want to change the background of your photo or any object, I will show you how to do this in just one click. So first of all, you just have to tap on this create design and you can choose any site. I'm going for Instagram post. I'm not going to make post. I'll just let you know how to remove background. So now I am ready for the template. Let's say I'm going to select this one. Now you just have to tap on this upload and upload media. If you say I will go for this image, I want to remove the background of this image, and now I will delete my text. And now if I resize it, now if I want to remove this background, you will see this option edit image and you will see this VG remover. Just click on it, just one click, and now your background will be removed, and you can see that my background has been removed. And I want to tell you one thing, this feature is only available in Canva Pro. It's not in free version. So if you want to use this tool, you have to go for Canva Pro version. So that's it for this video. That's how you can remove image background in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.